Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I make Nigerian egusi soup, rich thick Nigerian egusi soup from the scratch. So keep watching, don't go away. If you want to see how I make this soup, please watch the video to the end. Thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support, and if you're returning, thanks for returning. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Thanks, and let's cook together. Don't go away. Let's dive into it, everyone. First, I have goat meat, kpomo or cow skin, garlic, seasoning, onions, and salt all together in the pot. So after adding all seasoning together in the pot, I take a desirable stick and stir it to combine. Stir it so that all the ingredients, all the seasoning blends together with the goat meat and the cow skin. So that is the shape I cut my kpomo. You could cut yours any desirable shape you want. Okay, so after I stir it together, I'll cover this and cook it on a medium flame for 30 minutes. Goat meat don't require more time to cook. So while that is aside, here is my fresh ugu leaf known as pumpkin leaf. Is washed already, and we cut this behind camera. Everyone keep watching, don't go away. And next I have uziza leaf, fresh uziza leaf. I will cut this behind camera too. If you've not used uziza leaf before on your egusi, try it. It gives a nice flavor to it. Next I have my scotch bonnet pepper and onions. I'll blend this together to form a paste for the fry. Everyone keep watching, don't go away. If you watch halfway, you will not understand how I make my yummy delicious egusi soup. Then I have catfish and salt to clean the skin to get rid of any sand. So after blending the scotch bonnet pepper and onions, I place pot on fire, add my palm oil, then add the paste and stir this. I'll stir this for a minute. Then after stirring it for a minute on a medium flame, I'll add crayfish. Adding your crayfish while stir frying the paste gives a very nice flavor to your egusi soup. Everyone, if you've not tried it, give it a try and give me your feedback. Then after the stir fry, the next thing is to add my blended egusi or blended melon seed, and then stir to combine. Stir this on a low flame for 15 minutes to blend together, to blend with the paste you fried. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected, comment, like, share my videos to your friends and family, everyone. And if you like to see these videos often, please do subscribe to my channel and watch the video to the end to see how I make my Nigerian egusi soup for parties. Idea for very good for parties. So after stir fry, this is what it looks like. It must look this way. So that aside, the meat, that is the goat meat and kpomo, is cooked, and this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. So I will transfer it into the already stir fried melon seed or egusi. I'm not adding extra water, I'm using just the meat stock, everyone. So stir this to combine, exactly what you see on the screen. All right, watch the video to the end, everyone. Don't go away. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for returning back. And I want to use this opportunity to say very big thanks to all my genuine subscribers for their wonderful support. I really appreciate it. So at this point, I also add the dried catfish after giving it a wash. Then the pot is filled up, so I will transfer this into a bigger pot behind the camera, everyone. Don't go away and watch and see how I prepare my yummy, delicious, rich egusi soup. So I'm going to cook it on a medium flame for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. The soup is not ready, so don't go away. We're still on this together, everyone. So I will start to combine to make sure the soup is not sticking under the pot, because if that happens, it will start to burn and it will give your soup a different taste. So that is why I'm making sure there is no sticky under the pot, everyone. So after this, I will still cover it for another 5 minutes. Then next, I added 1 teaspoon of black chili pepper. It is optional, everyone. I love chili in egusi soup. So like I always tell my sister, what is pepper? What is soup without pepper, everyone? So it is optional. You can do without it. So after that, this is what the soup is coming out to look like. Very, very yummy. So at this point, I'm adding my ugu leaf or pumpkin leaf and the uziza leaf too. I will add and mix to combine. Wow, at this point I'm thinking of pounded yam already, everyone. Yeah, I'm thinking of pounded yam. Don't go away. Watch and see what it finally looks like after combining everything, the leaves together. This egusi soup is perfect for parties, for your guests. Yeah, looks so yummy, everyone. Let me know on the comment section down below what you think about this egusi soup, everyone. And for more videos on this channel, the links down below, please click on it to watch how my brother makes finger licking egusi soup, everyone. So this egusi soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice: pounded yam, eba, samo. The choice is yours, everyone. Wow, this is very tasty, everyone. Nice flavored egusi soup, everyone. So this is what it comes out to. Thanks, stay connected, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.